Good morning. This is my first time in Palembang.
Good morning. Welcome to Palembang. I'm happy to be your guide today.
Thank you. What places can I visit in Palembang?
There are many interesting places. You can visit Ampera Brides. This is the most famous landmark here.
That sounds great. What else can I see?
You can also visit Benteng Puto Besar, Great Mosque of Palembang, and take a boat trip on the Musir River.
I love history. Is there a historical place to visit?
Yes, you can visit Museum Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin II. It tells the history of Palembang and the Sriwijaya Kingdom.
Nice. How about local food?
You must try pempek, Palembang famous traditional food.
That sounds delicious. Thank you for your information.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your time in Palembang.
Success. Okay, see you.